Hello and welcome to 1016 Falgarwood Drive in the gorgeous Oakville. This stunning two-story condo apartment is ready for you to move in. But before we take a look at the apartment, I want you to find out a little bit more about this gorgeous community. Welcome to Oakville, one of Canada's most affluent suburbs. Over 260 national and international companies are headquartered here. Many business executives choose Oakville as a destination for their families because of the safe neighborhoods, outstanding selection of private and public schools, and the abundance of recreational opportunities. Oakville is also relatively close to the City of Toronto, which can be accessed through 400 series and QEW highways, as well as GO Transit train service. This neighborhood is perfect for the first-time buyer and families. It has affordable homes by Oakville standards, lots of parks and green space, and convenient access to the highway for commuters. The education system is one of the best in the country. McLaughlin College, Appleby College, Walden International School, and Sheridan College campuses are all community landmarks that have been teaching prodigies for generations. Falgarwood Public School also provides that homey feel with its annual art night where the school is transformed into an art gallery. Falgarwood is also known as Iroquois Ridge and is recognized for its ancient escarpment with tremendous views overlooking downtown Oakville and Lake Ontario. Now that you better understand the value of living in this community, let me show you your next home and why it stands above the crowd. As we walk from the guest parking just outside of this two-story corner unit condo apartment, you will recognize how easy it is to bring in groceries or get food delivered to your unit, as it's both on the ground floor and the corner unit steps from the main entrance. Notice the front door art, which speaks to the heritage and history of the land your home now sits on. Walk into this open concept apartment and see yourself entertaining or cooking in this upgraded kitchen. The cabinets feature easy slider drawers, new flooring, smooth ceiling, newer windows and doors, cove molding, and a walkout to this coveted main floor patio. As we head upstairs, you will also appreciate the large staircase that overlooks your open concept main floor. Once upstairs, you will notice the second floor laundry room, new bathroom with granite counter, large sized master bedroom, and of course the custom closet organizers. This apartment has been well maintained and updated and is the perfect choice for your new home. Whether you're interested in this apartment for the neighborhood, the apartment features, or because of the outstanding price, we are here to help. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. At 1016 Falgarwood, Unit 43, you're getting amazing value. If you want to see this home, make sure to contact the Mayer-Harman team for a private showing today.